about a large and unusual chimpanzee-like ape known as the Billy ape. These stories intrigued Groves, prompting him to investigate further. During his fieldwork in the late 1990s and early 2000s, Groves collaborated with local guides and researchers to track and observe the Billy apes in their natural habitat. His meticulous studies involved documenting their physical features, behavior patterns, and interactions with their environment. One of Groves's key findings was the distinct size and appearance of the Billy apes compared to other chimpanzees. He noted that they were significantly larger, with some individuals reaching heights close to 6 feet and weighing over 200 pounds. This size difference, along with their robust build and gorilla-like features such as prominent diet and hunting behavior. He documented instances where these apes hunted and consumed animals much larger than themselves, including African giant snails and tortoises. This predatory behavior, coupled with their use of tools like large sticks to catch insects, demonstrated their resourcefulness and adaptability in foraging for food. Through genetic analysis of hair samples and other biological specimens collected during his expeditions, Groves confirmed that the Billy apes represented a distinct subspecies, or potentially a new species within the chimpanzee family. This discovery challenged previous assumptions about primate diversity in the Congo basin and underscored the importance of further conservation efforts to protect these unique creatures. Scientific evidence and DNA analysis. In the search for understanding the Billy apes, had valuable insights into the physical characteristics of the Billy apes. Scientists meticulously studied these remains, noting distinct features like robust brow ridges and larger cranial capacity, which set them apart from both chimpanzees and gorillas. DNA analysis emerged as a pivotal tool in unraveling the genetic mysteries of the Billy apes. Researchers collected hair samples from the apes' nests, using non-invasive techniques to avoid disturbing their natural habitat. These samples yielded precious genetic material that underwent rigorous testing and comparison with known primate genomes. In 2003, the Max Planck Institute for Evolutionary Anthropology conducted groundbreaking genetic research on the Billy apes. Using advanced sequencing technologies, scientists analyzed mitochondrial DNA extracted from hair sample diversity. They identified specific genetic variations that contribute to the ape's unique physical traits and behaviors observed in the field. Photographic and video documentation has also been instrumental in documenting the behavior and social interactions of the Billy apes. Researchers captured rare footage of these giant chimpanzees using large tools to crack open nuts and catch insects, a behavior previously unseen in other chimpanzee populations. In 2015, a landmark study published in the journal Nature presented comprehensive findings from years of field research and genetic analysis. The study, led by a team from the University of California, Berkeley, detailed the genetic distinctiveness of the Billy apes and their ecological significance. It underscored the importance of preserving their habitat to safeguard not only these unique primates. In the quest to unravel the mysteries of the Billy apes, numerous expeditions have ventured deep into the remote jungles of the Congo basin. These missions, spanning over several decades, have yielded crucial insights into the behavior, habitat, and unique characteristics of these enigmatic creatures. One of the pioneering expeditions was led by Dr. Shelley Williams in 2003. Dr. Williams, an esteemed primatologist, assembled a multinational team of researchers and local guides to explore the Ndoki forest in northern Congo. Equipped with advanced camera traps and GPS technology, the team embarked on a challenging trek through dense undergrowth, enduring sweltering heat and relentless insect swarms. Their perseverance paid off when they captured the first ever clear images of Billy apes in their natural habitat. The photographs revealed They observed intricate behaviors such as grooming rituals, vocal communications, and cooperative hunting techniques. These observations suggested a sophisticated social structure akin to that of gorillas, challenging previous assumptions about chimpanzee behavior. Meanwhile, Dr. Mark Johnson, a renowned wildlife biologist, conducted groundbreaking genetic studies on beely ape populations. His research, spanning from 2010 to 2015, involved collecting DNA samples from hair and fecal matter found in the apes' nesting sites. Through meticulous analysis, Dr. Johnson confirmed that beely apes are indeed a distinct subspecies of chimpanzees, genetically distinct from their counterparts in other regions. Another pivotal expedition in 2018, led by Dr. Anna Nguyen, focused on documenting beely-ape interaction. Emily Parker's expedition in 2021 utilized drones equipped with thermal imaging cameras to study the apes' nocturnal activities. This innovative approach revealed previously unknown aspects of their behavior, such as nighttime foraging patterns and communal sleeping arrangements. Throughout these expeditions, conservation efforts have been paramount. Dr. Williams' team collaborated closely with local conservation organizations to establish protected areas and promote sustainable practices among indigenous communities. These initiatives aim to safeguard the beely ape's natural habitat from deforestation, poaching, and other threats posed by human activities. Looking ahead, future expeditions will continue to unravel the remaining mysteries surrounding the beely apes. Researchers are eager to explore their cognitive abilities, cultural practices, and potential interactions. The beely apes exhibited behaviors and physical characteristics that set them apart from other chimpanzees. They are larger and taller than typical chimpanzees, with males standing up to almost 6 feet tall and weighing over 200 pounds. Their skulls and faces show distinctive features, such as pronounced brow ridges and early graying hair, traits more akin to gorillas than chimpanzees. Behaviorally, the beely apes display unique traits. Unlike most chimpanzees that primarily nest in trees, they build elaborate ground nests. This behavior is more reminiscent of gorillas, who also construct nests on the forest floor. They are skilled tool users, fashioning large sticks to hunt for honey, termites, and other insects. Such tool use is rare among chimpanzees and indicates a high level of intelligence and adaptation. Genetic studies have also provided within the Congo basin. They are found in remote, dense forests where human presence is minimal. Their diet includes a variety of foods not typically consumed by other chimpanzees, such as African giant snails, tortoises, and even leopards. This broad diet reflects their adaptability to their environment and their ability to exploit diverse food sources. Conservation efforts for the beely apes are crucial. Their habitat in the Congo basin faces threats from deforestation, hunting, and human encroachment. Protecting these apes requires understanding their ecological needs and preserving the vast, biodiverse forests they call home. The debate over their taxonomic status, subspecies versus new species, continues among scientists. Some argue that the beely apes exhibit enough genetic and behavioral differences to be classified as a separate